By the end of this video, you will know how to create a tracking category in Xero. Start by signing in to your Xero account. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to Settings. This is where Xero keeps account level setup options, including the area for tracking categories. If your screen takes a moment to load after signing in, wait until the menu and page content are fully visible before moving on. Inside Settings, scroll down until you reach the Accounting section. In that section, click Tracking Categories. This opens the page where existing tracking categories are listed and where new ones can be created. If your account already has tracking categories set up, you will see them here. If not, this page will be ready for a new category. Next, click Add Tracking Category. This opens the form for creating a new category. Xero uses tracking categories to separate transactions into different parts of your business. So this is the point where you define what you want to track. In the name field, enter a name for your tracking category. Choose a name that clearly reflects the part of the business you want to report on. The name should help you identify the category later when you are entering transactions or reviewing reports. After that, add one or more tracking options. These options are the values you will assign under the category when recording transactions. For example, the category could represent a business area, and the options would be the individual areas you want to separate. Enter each option you plan to use for categorizing your transactions. Make sure the options match the structure you want to use going forward, since these are the labels you will select later in your day-to-day work. Once the category name and its tracking options are in place, click Save. Xero will create the tracking category and add it to your account. If the page refreshes, look for the new category in the Tracking Categories list to confirm it has been saved. After saving, the new tracking category becomes available in supported transaction forms. You can now select it on invoices, bills, purchase orders, and other supported transactions. This allows you to track different areas of your business using the category and options you just created. When you enter transactions later, look for the tracking field and choose the relevant option so the activity is recorded under the correct part of the business. Using tracking categories consistently helps keep your records organized inside Xero and makes it possible to separate results across the areas you want to monitor. The main setup is complete once the category has been saved and appears in the list. Your new tracking category in Xero is now created and ready to use on supported transactions.